children?
Teacher Mary!
Okay, so now, when I call the boys, what you're going to do, boys, is to stand up. And when I call the girls, what you are going to do, girls, is to stand up. Okay, are you ready, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, where are the boys? Where are the boys?
Here we are.
Here we are. How are you this morning?
How are you this
This
morning?
morning. Take your seat. Take your seat. Where are the girls? Where are the girls? Here we are. Here we are. How are you this morning?
How are you this morning?
Take your seat. Take your seat. Okay, children, now. Do you know the song Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so it seems that you know the song Hello. What you're going to do first is to listen and to what? Watch Teacher Neri while I do the Hello song. Are you ready, children?
Yes, teacher.
1, 2, 3, go! Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how do you do? I'm glad to be with you. And you, and you, and you. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. 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 Tra-la-la-la-la-la. Do you get it, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, stand up. Stand up. Let's do the hello song. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how do you do? I'm glad to be with you. And you, and you, and you. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. Tra-la-la-la-la-la. 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 Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take your seat. Okay, children. So now, I think someone dropped a letter by the door. Will you please get the letter for me so we can know what it's all about? Thank you, Pat. Oh, the letter is from Mr. Cow. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. Let's open the letter.
Wow, so big.
Yes. Good morning, children. I would like to share what happened on my birthday yesterday. Hope you enjoy listening. Have fun. Love, Mr. Cow. Now, children, are you ready to listen what happened on his birthday?
Yes, teacher. I'm so
I cannot
excited.
hear you.
Yes,
Are you
teacher.
excited?
Yes, teacher. I'm so excited.
Okay, very good.
Wow, so beautiful.
One day, there was a sad cow. Moo, moo, said the cow. He is sad because today is his birthday and no one seems to come. The goat saw the cow. Meh, meh, meh. Hey, Mr. Cow, you look so sad. Can I help you? Said Moo, moo. Today is my birthday and no one seems to come. Can you invite Mr. Pig to come with us? Said the cow. Meh, meh, meh. Sure, Mr. Cow. I will invite Mr. Pig to come with us. And for sure, he will go with us. I think Mr. Pig loves to eat, said the goat. So the goat ran immediately to Mr. Pig. Meh, meh. Hey, Mr. Pig, can you come with us? Today is Mr. Cow's birthday party. I'm sure that he will be happy if you go with us, said the goat. Oink, 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 said the pig. Oh, Mr. Goat, I love eating. I will come with you and bring dog, said the pig. So the pig ran immediately to the dog. Oink, 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 oink. Hey, Mr. Dog, can you come with us? Today is Mr. Cow's birthday party. He will be glad if you go with us, said the pig. Arf, 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 arf. Hey, Mr. Pig. Oh, I would love to. I will come with you and bring chicken, said the dog. So the dog come to the chicken. Hey, Mr. Chicken, can you come with us? Today is Mr. Cow's birthday party. He will be happy if you will go with us, said the dog. Cocoroko! Cocoroko! Hey, Mr. Dog, I will be happy if you're coming, too. I will go with you and bring some foods, said the chicken. All of his friends go to the party. Mr. Cow was very happy. They enjoyed the party and had fun. So, Mr. Cow is now happy. They ate a lot and had fun.